This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Robert Castagna. Welcome to a truly move-in ready, upgraded home in desirable gated community of SOUTHGATE at Indian Spring in Boynton Beach. The home has been newly painted for the new owner. Enjoy cooking on your brand new $10,000 Thermador range and in your newly remodeled and upgraded kitchen. Get the maximum credits on your insurance with a new roof and accordion shutters for hurricane protection. Beautiful flooring throughout. Remote window treatments. Enjoy your morning coffee in your beautiful patio area and then take a swim in your well-maintained pool. Hurry to this one. Shows like a model home. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert Castagna at 954-270-7267.